If you're Jambite and your desire is to gain admission this year 2025, you need to see this video. Come with me.
This is actually the riskiest thing I've ever done in my life. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Marshall Prosper, and I've been making videos since the beginning of this year to help Jambites to score as high as possible in Jamb. And then the thing is, I am also a Jambite as well. But you might wonder, how can I make videos to help Jambites if I'm also writing Jamb? But the truth is, this is the second time I'm writing Jamb. And the first time I wrote Jamb, I scored 311 in Jamb. So even though I scored 311 in Jamb, I was not admitted by the University of Lagos. I went for computer engineering, but I was not admitted. So I had to write Jamb again this year. And that was actually very, very heartbreaking.
First and foremost, shout out to Prosper Marshall. I'm a follower. I've been following your page over quite some days now, I think some months now, right? And I love what you do. Now, this video is not to in any way bash you or whatsoever, right? This video is typically for the purpose of education and also educating the current Jambites. Now, personally, I don't see the reason why you have 311 and not gain admission. Now, get it well. A lot of factors could actually cause it. You could be a Unilag lover. Like I heard in the video, you want to study Unilag, you want to study in Unilag computer engineering, and you typically don't want to change your school. It's totally fine. And it could also be a post-UTME factor. Most likely, you didn't have enough post-UTME that was enough for you to meet up with the cutoff mark for computer engineering. And lastly, it could even be a factor of your O level. Unilag obviously use O level to calculate aggregates. Perhaps you don't have a lot of haze. Personally, I just don't think it's smart enough to have that kind of jam score and not use it to gain admission. The truth is, there are several options that could have been explored. As a matter of fact, from the onset, immediately the post-UTME is out and you apply to a school like Unilag, you can project what your aggregate will be. And all I just feel that is needed to be done, even before the list is released, is that you must have, you should have compared what you have as an aggregate, most likely with the last previous cutoff mark. With that, you'll be able to have an head knowledge if you have a chance or not. And if you don't have a chance, why not try out other schools? Come on, you're a very bright chap, you have 311. You could have a very good edge in school that will not use your O-level results if you don't have an exceptionally strong O-level result. For instance, UI will not use your O-level result. If you go to UI and do exam of UI, I'm so confident that you will do well simply because you're bright chaps. And this is typically how to take advantage of understanding how some of these things work and fitting yourself to such opportunity. And the truth is, quite good number of Jambites are in this situation. Whatsoever factor that might have caused the reason why you didn't meet up with Unilag aggregates as at when you did your JAM exam, it could and it's possibly it could have been avoided, right? And I just simply hope you won't make the same mistake this year. And here is it for the other Jambites. I know perhaps you might also be wondering how you need to go about getting admission this year. I did a live webinar with some Jambites some weeks back, or some days back rather, and I have recorded that video to also help others that don't have access to it. Now, if you want to have access to that video of how to use this your present JAM score to gain admission this year, all you need to do is just to go to my bio and click the link up there, right? And you'll be able to have access to me via WhatsApp, where I'm going to share you the video link. And I hope you want to also share this video to as many of your friends that are also writing JAM.